the corporate energy unit, we have a small team made up of myself as corporate energy manager, an energy officer, technical energy officer, and an admin assistant. Our main role is to promote energy efficiency throughout the council's non-domestic building stock. So we carry out energy surveys, we analyse energy data, we look at sort of comparing buildings' performance with sort of best practice, and really try and target the buildings that we can affect the energy use with the limited resources that we have within the team.
And those buildings range from?
They range from sort of large civic buildings through to sort of secondary and primary schools, sports centres, cultural centres, we have theatres and similar types of buildings.
What are the main benefits for you using something like the team software?
I think what it does, it's one integrated system that involves all the aspects of energy management that the council has to do these days. So that will be from basic bill entry, reporting on your energy use. As I say, we go into e-billing now, and obviously now the new CRC module will be able to move information, from sort of the base database into the CRC module. So there's not to and fro-in from various systems that you might have to do if you were using things like Excel spreadsheets.
What do you think of the CRC module? Did you like the look of it? Is it something you could use?
The great thing about it is that you have a full audit trail. I think when you get audited by the auditors, there's a great level of confidence when they can see that you're using a bespoke energy management system to actually generate your information. I joined the City and County of Swansea in 1998. It was pretty evident then that we needed some sort of bespoke energy management system to actually pull our database together. We looked at, I think it was 2 or 3 comparable systems that were on the market. We got presented with the various sort of options, and we opted for Team. I think that was in 1999. So we originally started with the old Team EA system, and then we upgraded to Team Sigma in 2006. That allowed us really to improve our services to the council with the sort of purchase of other modules that Team Sigma allowed us to do.
And what do you think the key benefits of the software are?
Well, say it's just one complete energy management system. You can't get better than that. It allows us to move data. As I say, we've got CRC now. We can move data from our database. Display energy certificates. We invested in the DEC module so that we could do our DEC certificates in-house. That saves us obviously sort of paying consultants to do that, although we are sort of sharing it between ourselves and consultants at the moment. So that it's one integrated system for energy management is what Team gives us as an organisation.